All right. I hope you're as excited as us in building in the emerging and super fast growing AI space. And what we are building at Grindery is going to allow you to do a few things. First of all, and most importantly, we're focused on allowing you to monetize what you're building. So while there's a lot of frameworks and tools out there that allow you to build agents, there's really few that actually allow you to deliver and charge users for it, and be this on the web, on a mobile app, or in platforms such as Telegram. Monetization first with cart, stars, or crypto. That's what we're here for. Number two, we're going to make that super, super easy. We are providing, together with partners, no and low code tools that are going to literally allow you to build and launch stuff within minutes. But these tools are not limited. So you're not just able to drag and drop stuff around, but you could also choose any of the major agent frameworks and any of the major LLMs. And as what I already hinted at, you're going to be able to distribute what you're building with your own UI on the web, on your own mobile app, or take advantage of distributed and decentralized protocols like XMPP or massive platforms like Telegram, where we have really a lot of experience. So if you're planning to build the next cool crypto trading bot, or you are a fitness coach and you want to ship an agent and relate with your customers that way, Grindery is likely the best choice out there. So join us now.